Experiencing issues with your Tesco Mobile while traveling internationally. Here's a breakdown of common problems and how to fix them. Start by ensuring data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. On iPhones, navigate to Settings, Cellular Data Options, and toggle Data Roaming on. For Android devices, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and enable roaming. Next, restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off. These steps often resolve connectivity hiccups by forcing your phone to reconnect to a local network. If problems persist, the most likely culprit is an incorrect APN, access point name setting. The APN is the gateway that allows your phone to access data services. Tesco Mobile's default APN is typically everywhere, or M-Data, but this may not always configure automatically when abroad. Finally, SIM card incompatibilities, e.g. with eSIM-only plans, can also cause network issues abroad. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your roaming issues, manually configuring your access point name settings is often the solution. On iPhones, navigate to Settings, then Cellular, and select Cellular Data Network. Under Cellular Data, enter the APN as M-Data or Everywhere. Leave the username and password fields blank. On Android devices, the process varies by manufacturer. Generally, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point names. Add a new APN with these settings, APN as M-Data or Everywhere, and leave other fields as default or blank. Save the new APN and select it. If issues persist, use the Tesco Mobile app, which now includes AI-driven diagnostics for APN problems. The app can automatically identify and fix many roaming configuration issues. If you're using an older SIM card, ensure it supports international roaming. Some older contract SIMs may have restrictions. Consider upgrading to an eSIM for better compatibility. For further assistance, contact Tesco Mobile support or check user forums for device-specific solutions. Android phones often require more manual intervention than iPhones due to carrier-specific settings.